Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to use TEXTMASK command in AutoCAD. So for more updates, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. So let's get started. So for TEXTMASK command, first I will take a rectangle here. I will create first a rectangle. This is one rectangle. Now I will hatch this. So hatch, enter. I'll select this hatch. Scale I will take 80. Now click inside. Enter. Now I will create a text. So for that DT. Enter. Specify first point here. Make ortho on. Height I will give 3 feet. Press enter. Now I will create a text. I will write block. Now I will move this text to inside the rectangle. Paste here. Now I will give TEXTMASK command. So type TEXTMASK. Press enter. Now here we have two options, mask type and offset. Right now we are not going to select any option. Simply we need to click on the text. Here click on the text and press enter. So now you can see the text is highlighted right now. So this is the work of TEXTMASK command. To highlight the text, we use TEXTMASK command. You can see. Now if you want to move this, move to here. This is, you can see it here. Now if you move this, it is here. Before the text was overlapped above the hatch. Now it is clearly visible. After TEXTMASK command, it is clearly visible. RE enter. You can see. If you move this to here also. RE enter. Now you can see it clearly. To highlight the text, we use TEXTMASK command so that you can see the text clearly. So next, I will undo this. Next, go to next other options. So give TEXTMASK command again. Type TEXTMASK. Now first option I will click mask type. Click on mask type. Here also we have three options. Wipe out first. Now click on the text. Now you can see here the text you can see clearly. You can see the empty space is created around the text. You can see the empty space around the text we have created by using TEXTMASK command. If you move this also, you can see the empty space. Now undo this. Ctrl Z. Okay. Again I will give TEXTMASK. Now mask type. Next 3D face. Next option, click on 3D face and click on text. I will zoom this, click on text. Now in this case you can see the 3D look is coming out. The text is looking little bold or 3D look you can see here. Now Ctrl Z. TEXTMASK. Press enter. Mask type. Last option, that is solid. Click on solid. Now here you have to select any color. I will select pink. As for your choice, I will select pink. Click on OK. Click on the text. And you can see here, if you move this, so text mask is done with the solid color. So we have highlighted the text with the solid pink color. So you can use text mask. So again give text mask command. Now mask type. If you want to wipe out the solid color, click on wipe out. Again the first option, that is wipe out, and click on the text. Enter. So RE enter. Now you can see again the empty space around the text, you can see it now. So this is the text mask command. Now again give Ctrl Z. Again give the text mask command. Text mask command. Now second option, offset. Here you have to specify the dimension like we give in offset command. So here I will give 0.5. You can give any specific dimension. Here I will give 0.5. Now click on the text and enter. So you can see now with specific dimension the text mask is created. Again click on offset. I will give 0.8 or sorry, yes, 0.8. Now click here, RE enter. You can see the empty space is increased now because we have given the dimension 0.8. Now again give text mask command, offset. Now I'll give 1, enter, and click the text. Now RE enter. So it's the empty space increased around the text. You can see this. So like this you can use the offset. So now I will give text mask command, offset. I will give 0.3 again and click the text and enter. RE enter. Now you can see now it came to its previous dimension. So this is why we use text mask command. So to see the text clearly, the text will be clearly visible if we will use the text mask command. So to highlight the text we usually use text mask command. So hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment. Thank you for watching.